Good morning, Agastya. How you are? Today we are going to learn how to make biscuit chuk chuk train. We need 1 packet cracked jack biscuits, 1 packet Monaco biscuit 4 wheels, Amul cheese spread, boiled black grams, chopped onion, tomato and green chilies. Chopped tomato, chili, grams and black pepper, black salt. Look. Now look. Cracked jack, Monaco and cheese spread. Amul cheese spread is there. Kids, now take a bowl. Add grams, boiled grams, onions, fine chopped tomatoes. Mama help in chopping and add green chilies up to your taste. Mix well. Add black pepper and black salt. Mix well. Now we will make train. Put it here cheese. Now take another biscuit, put cheese in it and check it like this. Take another biscuit, put cheese and check it like this. Now take another. Yes. Now take another biscuit. Now our one train box is ready. Like this. Now make another box. Yes. Make one more. Make one more box, same as first one. Look, now boxes are ready. Yes, boxes are ready. Now we make wheels. Take Monaco biscuit, put cheese on it and place here on the side of the boxes. One, another one, put all wheels, all 6 wheels are there, like this. Yes. Put cheese and paste it. Take another one. Always are paste like this. Now our train boxes are ready with wheels. It's a time of decoration. Take cashew for lips and grams for eyes. Put cheese on it and stick it on the first one. Now fill boxes with this, like this. Our train is ready. Wow, it's look nice and yummy too. My dear kids, enjoy this recipe at your home with your family. It's a healthy snacks recipe. You can fill any kind of veggies in this. Then enjoy this recipe at your home with your family. Bye bye. Have a nice day.